The single most powerful way I found to really progress your test automation skills, and it's what I found and what I've seen in the testers that I coach, is just this. Do a little bit of coding every day. But there's a trick. Don't just do random coding. Don't just do whatever you see on LinkedIn or whatever you come across on YouTube or whatever you happen to see as a new framework that's just come out. Don't do random work on different areas. Have a plan, because if you're just picking up random pieces of work, random subjects as you go, then you get into a danger of burning out, of spinning your wheels, of feeling frustrated, of feeling like you're not making any progress. To make progress, you want to learn consistently, learn deliberately, have a plan. And that's where a structured program, where a mentor or a coach can really help. But no matter what you do, having a plan is going to really help you build up your skills progressively. Start off with the foundations and build on those foundations and progress each day a little bit more. Because no one else is going to give you the time. You've got to block off the time to do that learning yourself. And if you can do that, block off a bit of time, have a plan, progress consistently, then that's when you'll see the progress.